Hey mom to mom, ever feel totally overwhelmed trying to cook meals that are safe for your little one with food allergies? I've been there, and it's tough. But don't worry, I've picked up some tips along the way that I think you'll find super helpful. Let's chat about how we can make meal prep a little easier and a lot less stressful. So the first thing, and I can't stress this enough, is really getting to know your child's allergies inside and out. I mean, you've got to be the expert here. Every label, every ingredient, it's got to be checked and double-checked. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's the best way to keep those allergens far away from your kitchen. Now let's talk about meal prep. You know how easy it is to accidentally mix things up, right? Here's what I do. Separate everything. I use different utensils, cutting boards, even cooking surfaces if I can. It might take a little extra time, but it's so worth it to avoid any cross-contamination. Better safe than sorry, right? And don't think just because there are allergies, your meals have to be boring. There are so many great alternatives out there. I've swapped out regular milk for almond milk, and gluten-free flour has become my best friend. Honestly, these little swaps can make meals just as tasty without the worry. Managing food allergies doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little extra care, we can make sure our kids enjoy safe and delicious meals. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. We're all in this together, Mom! See you next time.